Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine, and this is a collective reading for your next 48 hours. So let's begin. Let's see what do we have for the collective. Take what resonates and leave the rest. So this one is going to be in Hindi and English mix. Okay. One message that I am getting is, if you feel that something good is happening in your life, do not share it with anyone. Do not share it with anyone, okay? Because I do see some envy energy here, okay? So do not share it with people. So I'm not talking about people who are like really close to you, but I'm talking about people, let's say social media, okay, or putting stories, or uploading posts or something like that. So don't be like too loud about your achievements, or anything that you have recently manifested, or anything which is related to your wish fulfillment. So that shouldn't be the case. Let's clarify the cards and then I will start the reading. Okay guys, one thing is for sure, that your intuition is going to be very much strong in the next 48 hours, okay? Whether you are a male watching this or you are a female watching this, okay. All right, so let's begin with the reading. So the first message that we are having here is heart chakra, okay? Some female is going to play an important role in next 48 hours. Now it can be your friend, it can be your girlfriend, it can be your mother, but yes, I do feel that there's going to be some significance of a female or very feminine figure, okay? Now we have heart chakra, so definitely I do feel that your heart chakra might be activated, okay? Either someone is approaching you with an offer of commitment, because I do see that there's going to be some kind of traditional marriage or some kind of offer which is coming your way. And I also feel that you are intuitive enough to sense that something is coming your way, okay? Something is going to come, and this person or this offer is going to open your heart, all right? Even though I do feel that there's some kind of rigidity when it comes to you, okay? Now this rigidity can be false ego, okay? It can be your ego, or it can be your rigid belief systems. For example, मुझे तो ऐसा ही पर्सन चाहिए, मुझे तो वैसी ही लड़की चाहिए. सो देर आर सर्टेन बॉक्सेस दैट यू हैव इन योर माइंड, एंड वहाँ पे हो सकता है कि आपको थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करना पड़े, बिकॉज देयर कैन बी समथिंग विच which you're not really expecting, okay? Or which may vary from your expectations, but definitely this person is going to open up your heart. This person is here to open up your heart. Whether you're dealing with a male or a female, doesn't matter, but that is one energy that I see. Now I do feel that you guys are in your appreciation energy, or you can say 9 of Pentacles energy, where you're just taking care of yourself, okay? Probably you are healing yourself, you're spending a lot of time with your friends, female friends, or if you're a male, you're spending time with male friends. If you're a female, you're spending time with female friends. So you are feeling really appreciated, or something is happening where you feel very much fulfilled, regardless of whether you have love in your life or you do not have love in your life. Okay, you're healing yourself, you guys are becoming more and more grounded, you guys are becoming more, content within yourself. There's this feeling of fulfillment. Okay, there's this feeling of feeling content, there's this feeling of feeling satisfied, and when you feel satisfied, that is when you heal. Okay, so even though there might be some silly issues that you do think about when you sleep, or there are certain thoughts which do take up your mind space when you sleep or when you're resting, but very soon it's going to be healed, it's going to get healed. Okay, I also feel that till now you have been on a journey where you had to ground yourself, where you had to become stable, but now universe is going to start a new chapter in your life, which is a chapter of emotions, which is the chapter of water energy. So you will have to learn a lot of things about relationships, you will have to learn a lot of things about emotions, about water element. Okay, because either certain people who are going to come in your life, or if I talk about the person who is coming into your life, or in general, universe wants you to dive deep into your emotions. Okay, understand your emotions in a better manner, make your vulnerable side your strength and not your weakness. Okay, you are going to master something, and this mastery that you're going to do is to make your vulnerable side your strength. ओके तो आपकी जो वल्नरेबल साइड होगी, जो आपकी सॉफ्टनेस होगी, जो आपकी सेंसिटिविटी होगी, वो आपकी सबसे बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ बनने वाली है, एंड दैट इज़ अ न्यू चैप्टर इन योर लाइफ विच इज स्टार्टिंग. ओके, देन वी हैव अ थिंकिंग women, the thinking women, and we have 3 of cups, 7 of cups, and Knight of Swords. See, one thing is for sure, I do feel that you might end up overthink a lot, okay, in the next 48 hours, because what is happening here is that something is happening which may not align with your wisdom. Let's say that you have experienced a lot of things in your life, okay, and when whatever you are going through in your life right now, okay, whatever you are seeing in your life right now, so that experience is not really matching with the past experience or the knowledge that you have or the wisdom that you have. Okay, because a lot of you are someone who is very much into wisdom, or probably you are reading a book right now which is making new templates in your mind. So something is happening which is not really aligning with the template that you have already in mind, and that is why you can be a bit confused. You may think that maybe someone is just exploiting you, or they just want to have fun with you, they're not serious about you, and this and that. So also, just because you have these thoughts, do not let fear overpower you, because in next 48 hours I also see an energy where your fears can overpower you, and you may end up taking a very hasty decision where you may say something or do something or take an action where you might end up regretting it. Okay, then we have the envy. So here we have 6 of Pentacles, we have the Hermit, and we have Knight of Wands. See, I am sensing that you have been dealing with someone who had some kind of envious energy towards you, or not even envy, but for some I do feel that there was some kind of ego. Okay, some kind of ego clash, or some kind of envious energy was there, probably some kind of cold war was there, and now I do feel that this envy energy is being removed by universe. Okay, so here we have 6 of Pentacles. So there's someone who is going to probably gift you something, or they are bringing with they are coming with some kind of an offer, some kind of communication, some kind of clarity, some kind of gift. So it's like a memento kind of thing that I can see. Okay, because I think that this person has been in some kind of hermit zone, or you both have been in some kind of hermit zone, and this hermit zone was extremely important. This aloneness wala phase was very important, so that you both can awaken your heart towards each other. Okay, so that this person the person that you're dealing with, so that this person also awakens their heart, because I do feel that this person's heart chakra was quite blocked, and now things are going to go in a good direction. So there can be a passionate start in a connection as well. If you have been in no contact zone with someone, I do feel there's going to be an equal give and take. There's going to be a lot of movement in this connection, okay, and it's gonna be very intense, okay. Then we have action. Like I said, it's going to be very intense, and here we have action. So we have 3 of Swords, 5 of Wands, and 9 of Swords. See, yahan par na, I do feel that there's someone who needs to take an action. Now it can be you, or it can be the person you're dealing with. I think this is the person that you're dealing with. I think this person understands that they need to put in a lot of efforts when it comes to you, okay. And this person is kind of overthinking. This person is also a bit mentally exhausted and drained, because they don't know how to deal with you. They know that they have disappointed you. They know that they have broken your heart, and you are really shattered. They know that you might have gone through a lot of pain, and that pain is still there. They want to heal this, they want to sort this out, but they do not know, because whenever they try, maybe you push them away, maybe you reject them, maybe there's no solution whenever you guys talk, or something on those lines. So still, I do feel that this person is not going to give up. They're still going to take action. They're still going to try to heal you, or try to heal your heart, try to heal your broken heart, because I do feel that you guys are like, you have felt betrayed, okay. You have been betrayed, and there's a lot of hurt and pain which is there. Then we have caring connections. So we have Page of Pentacles, 8 of Wands, and we have King of Cups. So you are about to develop a beautiful connection with someone, okay. Not necessarily with just a romantic partner, but there can be more than 1 or 2 people. It can be with your friends as well, and it can be your romantic partner also. But if I clarify the card, I do see someone specific, someone who wants to communicate with you, okay. Probably this person was not really communicating well. They were more they were in their observation energy, where they were just observing you. But now this person is going to talk to you a lot in detail, okay. So you will know each and everything about what this person thinks and feel in detail. So this person is coming with a lot of communication, because now this person is ready, okay. This universe has prepared this person to see things in an emotional manner, okay. So they have this their EQ got developed, okay. उनका जो emotional quotient है वो कहीं ना कहीं develop हुआ है. This person को recently एक emotional maturity आई है. So this person is going to have that very caring connection. You will see that this person is going to take care of you, okay. They will be more concerned about you. There's a lot of love which is coming in your life, okay. A lot of love, and not just from one person, but from different people. So you will feel really supported, you will feel really loved. Then we have Door to Spirit and the Tower, 10 of Wands, and 8 of Swords. So universe is saying now it's time to take an exit from this situation, okay. If you felt betrayed, or there were certain shocking revelations that happened in front of you. There were people who kind of gave you burden, or kind of blamed you for something. You were holding yourself responsible for certain things, or you had certain kind of burden on your shoulders. You were not feeling good. There was a sense of heaviness. You were feeling tired. You had fears. There was this constant anxiety, or you were going through panic attacks. Anything of that sort, if that has been happening, you will get freedom from that, okay. Because something is happening. So universe is going to send his messenger in your life, okay. Some soul spirit energy is there, soul tribe energy is there, and when this person comes in your life, or when this soul energy enters your life, that is when this energy is going to take away all these worries and negative energies from your life. Then we have hostilities, and with hostilities we have 4 of cups, 4 of pentacles, and 7 of swords. So 4 can be an important number, 7 can be an important number, 8 can be an important number. So here I do feel that with hostilities, you need to be a bit more careful when it comes to being honest with yourself, okay? Because I do feel that you are right now in your life where you are finally going to find peace and stability, okay? Peace and stability is coming your way, but it is coming after a really long time. So when that happens, your body may not recognizes, क्योंकि बॉडी को ऐसा लगेगा कि शायद से ये कुछ खराब हो रहा है, शायद से ये कुछ गलत हो रहा है, शायद से मुझे एक स्टेप बैक ले लेना चाहिए, शायद से मुझे इस पर्सन से दूर रहना चाहिए, शायद से एक टू गुड टू बी ट्रू वाली सिचुएशन है. बट दैट इज नॉट द केस. सो डू नॉट हैव दीज बैटल्स इन योर हेड. बी ऑनेस्ट विद योर सेल्फ. सी इफ यू रियली फील रिलैक्स्ड. ये मत सोचो कि टू गुड टू बी ट्रू वाली चीज़ है या नहीं. थोड़ा सा प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में रहने की नीड है, देखने की नीड है कि आपको सच में अंदर से सेफ फील हो रहा है या नहीं. बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि एक ऐसी सिचुएशन डेवलप हो सकती है जहाँ पे अगर आपको सेफ फील हो भी रहा है, ओके, even if you feel safe in a certain situation or with a certain person, even if you have that sense of safety, if you feel that yes, I am in my home, okay, I can be in my comfort zone, I don't have to pretend, I don't have to perform, and yet you ghost a person or you run away from a situation, then that is you sabotaging yourself, not the other person, okay? Then it is your fault, not the other person's fault. So, and like I said, universe is wanting you to teach about emotions now. There's going to be a new journey which is starting in your life, which is about water element, which is about emotions. So you need to take care of certain things, you need to become more mindful, and your body is going to give you a lot of answers related to that, okay? So no self-deception, no self-sabotaging energy. Be more mindful when it comes to your सेंस ऑफ कंफर्ट. जो पहले हुआ है इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि अभी भी हो, ओके? जो पहले लव बॉम्बिंग, हनीमून फेज, टू गुड टू बी ट्रू वाली सिचुएशंस हुई हैं, डजंट मीन कि अब सच में अच्छा हो रहा है तो वो टू गुड टू बी ट्रू ही है, ओके? बिकॉज नाउ आई फील कि आपकी लाइफ में डेफिनेटली सच में कुछ अच्छा होता हुआ दिख रहा है. आई विल पुल 3 cards फ्रॉम दिस एज वेल. लेट्स see. Okay, one more. So it says burdens being removed from this situation. Your person will take all your burdens. So I don't think that I have to explain this. It's quite evident. Then we have go back to the time your journey of spirituality started from and just map your inner work. Either you have forgotten something important or you need to keep a check on your ego. And we also have gratitude. So thoda sa you have to see how your life has been. आपके पहले जो problems आए, experiences जो आए, आपको क्या लेसन सीखने थे, अब आपने जब लेसन सीख लिए हैं तो अब क्या एनर्जी आ रही है. मे बी नाउ यू आर एक्चुअली में मैनिफेस्टिंग समथिंग गुड इन योर लाइफ दैट यू कैन बी ग्रेटफुल अबाउट. Okay, then we have you're not allowed to take responsibilities of others on your shoulders. It is making you a victim of nothing at all. So like I said कि जो भी अगर आप में I told you this कि अगर आपने अपने आपको कुछ self blame कर रहे थे, फालतू की burdens ले रहे थे या कुछ भी ऐसा, that is going to be released. And the last one is you are meant to exist for a purpose that you need to follow. You are on a mission. Rest you do not need to know right now, okay? So जो भी चल रहा है उसको चलने दो, अच्छा चल रहा है. थोड़ा सा अपने डार्क थॉट्स पे, अपनी डार्क एनर्जी पे वर्क करना है, एंड दिस डार्क एनर्जी इज योर फियर्स एंड नथिंग एल्स. सो आई थिंक दैट इज इट. एंड यू गाइज कैन ऑल्सो टेक न्यू ईयर रीडिंग्स इफ यू वांट. आई विल पुट द डिटेल्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, एंड दैट्स इट. आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. बाय.